My name is Lansa, and I am Elemo's daughter. Okay. So growing up, being the daughter of elemo was different. I mean, it was fun just because when we did go to events and we did go and meet people, they knew who we were, they knew who he was, and it was we got a lot of love in that sense. And it was also hard at the same time, just because we didn't get to see him all the time. He was always out, and especially back when we were younger, the struggle was a lot harder, in the sense where he was more supporting, trying to get the Oromo community and the people in the struggle out there, more than home at that point. The first time I realized how important his music was to the Oromo people was back in '96, I believe it was, and I was in Minnesota at that time, and I had someone come visit. They didn't know who I was at that point because they were there to see my aunt, and she had asked who I was. And once I had given her my name, she just started crying dramatically, and had told me that at one point in her life, the struggle and the situation that she was dealing with, once she had heard his music, I mean, it touched her in the sense where it helped her get through what was happening with her life at that time. His music inspires a lot of people. So I mean, it might not be a club banger or anything like that, but when people do listen to the music and listen to what he is saying, they can understand how deep it actually is. I mean, it goes from things that our parents and our parents' have gone through, and not only back then, but also in our present life. We can relate to the situations of his music. So when I was a kid, I loved his music. I was a #1 fan. I memorized all his songs. And I mean, right now, listening to it and now understanding the words, it has made me want to connect with the community, want to do things for the people back home and in Canada, in North America, sorry, I should say. And pretty much, yeah, and want to get into music myself to also maybe connect more with the younger people now. Working on the song and video Never Change with myself and my dad and my brother was quite amazing. We had a great experience, and it's one of the first songs that we've done together. We had a great time, and hopefully we will be doing a lot more. I would love for people to know that, I mean, Elemo is still that same person as he was back in the 80s, early 70s, doing the same music of the struggle. It might not be the same struggle now, which is why the music is not the same. And I know that, you know, people might have a lot of different ideas about him, but he is still that same person, and still is very much so into helping out and having people aware of the struggles of back home.
I'm good. It's good to see you. How you doing?
How are you?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
How's life, bro?
It's been tough.
So Ali, how are you liking the new country, man?
It's nice, but people aren't so friendly. It's tough. I'm not used to any of this, but I'm trying.
Well, at least you have us as friends, you know?
Yeah, I do have you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are good.
We appreciate you being here.
We love you, Ali.
I love you guys too.
Keetenya ballo barzafi kagallo ala shankura ganna may sarganna Awati yo maratu farado himimsitu korma gobe barodu ori warededu ya jiru biyyaa ormaa mukachita namorma akkamiin obsee turai waaqayyo muddaa furaa Hadato ayiyo abako abiyo Buleya nambayo sitan himaya wakayo Hadato ayiyo abako abiyo Buleya nambayo sitan himaya wakayo Ya jiru biyyaa ormaa mukachita namorma akkamiin obsee turai waaqayyo muddaa furaa Figan jirada wamboru aranyada Ibsadde dullumus nabase hiyom Figan jirada wamboru aranyada Ibsadde dullumus nabase hiyom Ya jiru biyyaa ormaa mukachita namorma akkamiin obsee turai waaqayyo muddaa furaa sun hunda dhiisee bahee halkan guyyaa dahee kunoo baqattuu tahee duba eenyuun naaf nahee sun hunda dhiisee bahee halkan guyyaa dahee kunoo baqattuu tahee duba eenyuun naaf nahee yaa jiru biyyaa ormaa mukachita namorma akkamiin obsee turai waaqayyo muddaa furaa